Hey everyone, welcome to a very special episode of Ljs Garage. I figure since it's the last day of the current year that in preparation for the new year, I wanted to do a list of my favorite upcoming new cars. So here we go, let's get right into it. The BMW M3, the new 3 Series as a whole, the Toyota Supra, the Porsche Taycan, or Mission E as some call it, the Audi Rs-7, the replacement for the Ferrari 488 that should be coming soon, Ferrari's SUV, the Ferrari Purosangue, the Cadillac CT5, the Corvette C8, the Ford Gt500, the Genesis G70. This one's already out, but the Veloster N, Kia Forte, the Kia K900, the Audi A6, the Audi A8, the Volkswagen Arteon, the BMW Z4, the Polestar 1, the new Mazda 3, the Porsche 718 Cayman GT4, the Porsche 911 992. Thank you guys for checking out that list. And so I'm gonna do another little snippet of some of my favorites on that list and pinpoint some of those, talk a little bit more about them. But in the meantime, let me know what on that list caught your eye and what you want to hear about. Thanks again for checking out Ljs Garage. Be sure to like, share, subscribe. Have a good one.